Okay, hello everybody. So today we're making some sweet sour spare ribs. Okay, I had this on my Facebook. It's real simple, real easy. It's a one-pot dish. This is the basic Hawaiian style sweet sour spare ribs. You guys are gonna love it. Give this one a try. So we got 10 pounds of spare ribs that I'm gonna chop into about 1.5 to 2-inch pieces. We got some ginger, we got some garlic, we got some 2 onions, 2 medium to large onions. Gonna just rough chop it. We got 2 bell peppers, green, and 1 red bell pepper. We got 4 cups of brown sugar, packed please, and 2 cups of vinegar on the bottom there, and 1 cup of shoyu, and 2 cans of pineapple with the juice. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And with salt and pepper to taste. Let me get all the ingredients, start chopping all the ingredients, and we'll get back to you guys when we start putting everything in the pot. Okay, so all we do is just rough chopping everything. It's all gonna melt into the gravy anyway. And your spare ribs. So what we did, we this is some St. Louis ribs. What we did, we had the butcher cut them into smaller size spare ribs. And all I'm going to do is cut them to about 1.5 to 2-inch pieces. And when you get to the bone part, just go in between the bone. If your pieces are bigger, just cut them smaller, you know what I mean. So let me get this all finished up, and we'll get back in a little bit. Okay, so now that I got all the spare ribs cut, so this is 10 pounds of spare ribs total. I'm just turning it all in the pot. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the ginger, the garlic, and the onions. Let me get that all situated, and I'll be right back. So I'm putting the I put the onions in. I'm just putting the 4 slices, about half-inch slices of ginger in there, and the 6 crushed cloves of garlic, and chopped garlic. Okay guys, so now that I got the onions and the garlic and the ginger in there, what I'm going to add now is I'm adding the 4 packed cups of brown sugar. Hey, listen, if you got dark brown sugar, use that instead. I only had light, so that's what I'm using. But dark brown sugar would just make it a deeper flavor. I mean, it'll be almost the same, but if you can get dark is better. Then it's 1 cup soy. So this is for 10 pounds of spare ribs. If you got 5 pounds, just half the recipe in half, okay? And 2 cups of white vinegar. Use white vinegar, okay, guys? Don't use apple cider vinegar. It just does not taste the same. Use white vinegar. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna bring this up, turn the fire on medium high. I'll bring it up to a boil, uncovered, or actually I'm gonna cover it. I'll bring up to a boil covered, and then once we're about 45 minutes into the cooking, just before the meat turns soft, I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients like the pineapple and the bell peppers and whatnot. Okay, so I'll catch up to you halfway through the cooking. See you in a bit. Okay, hello guys. So we're about halfway cooking this sweet sour spare ribs. As you can see, it's simmering away pretty nicely. I just took the cover off of it, and it's hard to see with all the steam. But so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add the bell peppers. So that was 2 large, two medium-sized green bell peppers and 1 large red bell pepper, and we just get it kind of stirred in there. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually cook this down a little bit more. We're gonna get it to now the meat is soft. Once the meat is soft, we'll add the pineapples in, then we'll let it go for a few more minutes, and then we'll thicken up the gravy with the cornstarch mixture. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, hello guys. So anyway, it's just about getting there now. It's just about getting soft, and you guys can see, yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add the pineapples. I'm just using 2 20-ounce cans pineapple with juice. I pour everything inside of it. Of course me a kakai. I use one with I buy one chunks and one slices, so I just chop off in a can. But anyway, you get the idea, yeah. So 2 cans, stir it in there, get it mixed around a little bit, and I'm gonna bring it back up to a simmer and let it go for about 10 more minutes, and we should be done. Then what I'll do is I'll bring the fire up to high a little bit, get some cornstarch slurry in there, and thicken up the gravy. Okay, so I'll see you folks in a little bit. So it's been about 10 minutes, 15 minutes since we had the pineapple. The meat is all nice and soft and pork tender already. So what I'm gonna do is I brought it up to a more rapid of a boil, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix in the cornstarch mixture. You make it as thick as you want it. I like it a little thick, so going from there like that. I also added about 2 tablespoons of salt and about 2 tablespoons of pepper. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so there you go. So I'll plate it up. I know you guys can't see it through all this steam, but what I'll do is I'll plate some of it up and show you guys what it looks like, and then I'll have the recipe at the end of this video. Just keep watching the video, and then I'll send it on the screen. Anyway, you guys, I'll be right back, okay? Okay guys, so this is your finished product now. Meat soft, and yeah, you guys make the gravy as thick as you guys want it. It's kind of like the way I want it right there. Yeah. But anyway, give this a shot. It's a real simple. It's just a 1-pot recipe. Just like a taste of home. For me, it's a taste of home. But give it a shot. It's simple, and you guys will really love it. Anyway, I think I'm putting out this video right around Christmas, so you folks have a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. You guys be safe, and we shall catch you guys with another video just before New Year's probably. All right, take care. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I will see you folks later. Aloha.